Which Sri Lankan cricketer has been banned and for what reason, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad dekhenge what is that cryptic post that Andre Russell shared in his Instagram story. Aur sabse ant mein we will find out if the BCCI is going to be cancelling the Women's T20 Challenge because of COVID-19. Hello everybody, you are watching News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, but before I begin the video, I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. Please step out only if it's necessary and essential. And before I begin the video, if you haven't subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, do so quickly, and let's start this video without wasting time. Well, there's some bad news coming in for Sri Lankan cricketer Nuwan Zoysa because he has been banned for 6 years under the ICC Anti-Corruption Code. Now, he's banned from all formats of cricket, and his, of course, suspension has been backdated to 31st October 2018 when he was given that provisional suspension. But under what sections is Mr. Zoysa guilty of? I'm going to be telling you. Of course, for starters, the tribunal found Mr. Zoysa guilty of under the section of Article 2.1.1 for being a party to an agreement or effort to fix or otherwise influence improperly the result, progress, conduct or other aspects of an international match. He has also been guilty of Article 2.1.4, directly or indirectly soliciting, inducing, enticing, instructing, persuading, encouraging or intentionally facilitating any participant to breach code, Article 2.1. He is also guilty of Article 2.4.4, failing to disclose to the ACU full details of any approaches or invitations received to engage in corrupt conduct under the code. Now, Mr. Zoysa has also been charged by the ICC on behalf of the Emirates Cricket Board with breaching 3 counts of the ECB Anti-Corruption Code for participants for the T10 League, and these proceedings are ongoing. Now, this, of course, are the charges under which Mr. Zoysa has been found guilty. What do you all think about this entire incident? Definitely share your opinions with me in the comment section below. Well, the 14th season of the IPL is of course going on in full swing, and every franchise is putting their best foot forward in the hope of lifting that championship title. However, if there's one franchise which has not had that great of a season yet, is of course Kolkata Knight Riders, and one player of theirs, the star player, the all-rounder Andre Russell, also has been feeling a little low with the way things have been happening, and is also considered to be a rough patch. Now, how do we know that? Well, he shared a cryptic post on Instagram. Now, what did that post say? Well, Andre Russell took to Instagram, and in that story he posted a picture with a bottle of Old Monk and wrote, "It's okay not to be okay." And his latest picture, of course, has been doing rounds on social media, and fans can only assume that he's being distressed with his form and fortune in the current season, of course. But what do you think about Russell's performance for KKR? And most importantly, if you are a KKR fan, tell me in the comment section below what is not going in their favor this season. I'm looking forward to those comments. On one hand, of course, the Indian Premier League is in full swing, but on the other hand, because of the surge in COVID-19 cases, the Indian T20 Challenge for the women might be cancelled or even postponed. Now, why is that? Well, of course, India is seeing a surge in COVID-19 cases, and that will definitely have an impact on how BCCI plans to conduct all these other tournaments during this devastating period for India, because they're still trying to figure out what they can do in such a situation of the pandemic only getting worse. Now, a senior woman cricketer has commented on this particular decision, because more than a decision, it is a no-show and no kind of update that is coming from the BCCI to the women to really find out if this is even going to continue. In that particular statement, the senior woman cricketer has stated that all calls to the board of BCCI have gone unanswered. She said that this is devastating news for us. We genuinely thought this edition will give us some very important game time before we take on the English side. All comes crashing down now. Calls have gone unanswered at the moment. That was the least we expected, said the woman cricketer. Now, this of course is her take, but on the other hand, a BCCI source had confirmed that they are only planning to concentrate on the IPL at the moment, especially after a lot of overseas players also backed out from the IPL. They want to ensure and concentrate only on this particular tournament. But do you think, in the present circumstances, it is a good decision not to go ahead with the Indian T20 challenge, or do you think it's unfair when the BCCI, of course, is conducting the IPL? Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, of course, and follow Cricket Tracker for the latest news in the world of cricket. Before I go, I have a quick question for you. Tell me, which are the teams that you're most disappointed with their performance in this season of the IPL? Right below in the comment section below. I'm really looking forward to all those answers. And on the other hand, if you're looking for a show that gives you all the right updates about the IPL, in fact, including a cricket analysis, do not forget to stay tuned to Cricket Tracker's special show In the Air. It is a Facebook and YouTube live every match day. We have a pre-match live show as well as a post-match live show with all our cricket experts. You wouldn't want to miss it. So stay tuned. My name is Nivedana Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to Cricket Tracker so you are updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. And most importantly, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget your mask. Bye-bye. I will see you soon.